Today we learn about the body parts. A little boy fell down and got hurted all over the body. Please cut the bandage and put the bandage their hurted part so that little boy can feel better again. Okay, now we cut all bandages. After that, we put one bandage on his forehead, right above his eye. Yes, we do it. Now, put on his nose and his chin. Yes, yellow bandage we put on his nose and blue on his chin. Now put on his arm, hand. Then put one on his knee and toe. Thank you for your help. Johnny is better. Now touch my body part. Body parts like hair, eye, teeth, tongue, fingers, leg, foot, toes, hand, arm, mouth, ear, head. We have many body parts and each has a name, and each body parts do special job for us. I have one head. Head is the main part of the body and hair on it. I have one forehead. I have two eyebrows. I have two eyes. My eyes help me to see things around me. I have white teeth. Teeth help us to bite and chew our food properly. I have two red lips. I have one red tongue. I can taste food with my tongue. I have two ears. I hear with my ears. I have one mouth. I speak with my mouth. I have two cheeks. I have one nose. My nose helps me to breathe and smell. I have 10 fingers. I have two hands. I work with my hands. Each hand have 5 fingers. I have 2 elbows. I have nails. I have 2 wrists. I have 2 arms. I have 2 shoulders. I have one stomach. The food which we eat goes into the stomach. I have 2 legs. I walk with my legs. I have 2 thighs and 2 knees also. I have 10 toes. Hello students, today we learn about 5 senses. In our body there are so many body parts like eye, ear, nose, foot, arm, stomach, leg. We have 5 sense organs. Which is 5 senses? First one is touch. We touch and feel so many things with our skin. Second one is hear. With the help of ear, we can hear. Next is taste. With the help of tongue, we can taste so many yummy food. Fourth one is smell. With the help of nose, we can smell anything. Fifth one and last one is see. With the help of eyes, we can see so many things. Eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. My tongue can taste. My hands can touch. My eyes can see. My nose can smell. My ears can hear. What can I see? What can I feel? What can I smell? What can I taste? And what can I hear? This is our tongue. With the help of skin, we can feel soft, smooth, rough, hard, bumpy things. Sense of sound.
ये 5 सेंसेस यानी पंच ज्ञानेंद्रिय। क्या होता है पंच ज्ञानेंद्रिय? पंच ज्ञानेंद्रिय वो ये होता है कि जिससे हमें ज्ञान होता है कि सामने की चीज या वस्तु क्या होती है। लेकिन कैसे करते हैं? अपने यहाँ बॉडी में पूरे 5 ज्ञानेंद्रिय होते हैं, वो भी बाहर के 5 होते हैं। कौन से? त्वचा, दूसरा कान, तीसरा आंखें, चौथा नाक और 5वां होता है जीवा। ये सभी 5 ज्ञानेंद्रिय बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण कार्य करते हैं अपने जीवन में। चलो फिर देखें क्या कार्य करते हैं। अरे ये क्या है मेरे सामने? हम अपनी आंखों से देख रहे हैं। क्या है? हाँ, बॉटल दिख रही है और उसमें कुछ तो भी रंगीन पानी है। समझ में आया आंखें क्या काम करती हैं? अभी दूसरा, अभी हम उसको टच करेंगे यानी स्पर्श करेंगे, स्पर्श ज्ञान करेंगे। कैसे करेंगे? हाथों से या त्वचा से, कोई भी चीज से हम स्पर्श ज्ञान करेंगे। देखो हाथ में उठाया, आंखें बंद की तो भी समझ में आ रहा कि अरे ये तो बॉटल है ना। फिर आगे अभी कान, कान क्या करेंगे? हम आंखें बंद करेंगे, आवाज आ रही है यानी समझ रहा है कि इस बोतल में कुछ तो भी द्रव है यानी लिक्विड है। हम आगे नाक, हम इसकी स्मेल लेंगे। हाँ, खुशबू तो बढ़िया आ रही है। क्या है इसमें? अरे इसमें तो रोज सिरप है। मम्मी ने शरबत दिया है। ठीक है, अभी जीवा क्या काम करती है? हम थोड़ा सा शरबत लेंगे, लिया और टेस्ट करेंगे। मीठा है यानी जीवा क्या काम करती है? मीठा है, खट्टा है, कड़वा है, तीखा है, ये सब काम जीवा करती है। यानी जीवा का काम होता है कि अपने को किस प्रकार की टेस्ट आ रही है मुंह में। तो समझ में आया बच्चों कौन कौन सी 5 सेंसेस यानी ज्ञानेंद्रिय 5 होते हैं?
All about body parts. This is our body. Oh, we have so many body parts like eye, teeth, tongue, fingers, leg, hand, arm, mouth. Our body is made up of several organs. Organs can be internal or external. The internal organs are present inside the body. These are our internal organs. Our internal body is made up of these organs. The external organs are on the outer side of the body. Skin, nose, eyes, ears, tongue are external organs. Internal and external organs do a special job for us, and therefore we know first only external organs. What can I see? What can I feel? What can I smell? What can I taste? And what can I hear? Answer is these 5 sense organs: taste, touch, sight, smell and hear. First external organ is nose. We smell with our nose. Second external organ is our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Third one is skin. We touch and feel with our skin. Fourth external organ is eyes. We see with our eyes. Last external organs is ear. We hear with our ears. Now we will see our internal organs. Heart, stomach, lungs, kidneys, brain is our internal organs. Who am I? I am the stomach. I help you to digest yummy food. Who we are? We are the lungs. We are the internal organs. We help you to breathe. Who am I? I am the brain. Brain is also internal part of our body. The brain is the control center for our body. Who we are? We are kidneys. We are a pair of organs shaped like kidney beans. Our job is to filter liquid waste from the blood. Who am I? I am the heart. Heart pumps blood around the body. Look, these are all our external organs. Now we see our internal organs. The first internal organ is lungs. Look, this is our lungs. Now next organ is stomach. Brain. This is our heart. And last one is kidney.